Turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Press the left arrow to see total mileage. Press the call button, then hold OK for 3 to 5 seconds. Press the down arrow to select ASSYST PLUS, then press OK. Choose full service and press OK. Scroll to confirm and press OK. Choose oil grade 229.5 and click Yes. Scroll down and click Confirm. Full service carried out. More car tips ahead. Hit subscribe.